I love taking my cactus in fruit salads. Kindly choose the fruits that you have or the fruits of your choice. I normally do in different tastes. At times I do the pineapples, at times I do the apples, and very many other. But today I have my banana, I have my avocado, and then I have some pawpaw, and then of course my cactus that I don't miss in my diet. Now do this kindly. This is very beneficial. Kindly check on the video's description on all the benefits of cactus. Welcome back to my channel at Jackie Naturals. Now I've prepared this off camera to shorten the video, and I love taking it like this in fruit salads. I'm going to show you next how to take it in vegetable salads, but this is what I do. I just dress it in some probiotic yogurt, or you can do the kefir yogurt. I love my cactus fruit salads dressed in probiotic yogurt, like kefir or the normal probiotic yogurt, or even if you can do just normal yogurt, even if you want to do just normal yogurt, just do, or just take it as it is, or do any dressing for the fruit salad. Now I'm going to show you how I dress mine and make it yummy. Now I'm going to show you how I dress my cactus fruit salad. I like them dressed. Dressing them in some yogurt. This is probiotic yogurt. You can do kefir, that is so rich in probiotics, or just use any yogurt that you have, or any fruit salad dressing that you like. We can do lemon glazing. We can do lemon glazing. You can do lemon glazing or anything that you want, but for me, I like mine like this. And it's so yummy, so yummy, so yummy, so yummy. I like it. This is my cactus. Eating this, your digestive system is gonna love you. Oh. Those who love honey, you can also add some honey in it. You can dress some honey. I can dress it with some honey, and very, very yummy. Do some lemon if you want a sharper taste, but just as you desire. Just too very many to make sure that you eat cactus. It's very beneficial. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like my videos. I'm so grateful for coming always to watch my video, and for the new members of this family at Jackie Naturals, kindly do me a favor and subscribe and like my videos. And I love you all with the love of Christ. Thank you so much.